Kia ora, there is a Maori proverb that says, ki te kotahi te kākoho ka whati, ki te kāpuia e kore e whati. Alone, we can be broken, but together, we are invincible.
This actually reminds me of another saying, if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together with other people. And so when you come into our village, or if you go into our Maori, we embrace you and we want to share that love and aloha, aroha with you. And that's what that proverb means to me.
So this proverb resonates with me really well. It reminds me of being unified and having kotahitanga or unity with my friends and family, and especially being a Maori, having unity with my fellow Maoris. Kia ora.
This proverb talks about unity, making sure that we're together as one. I think that's important because you can't do everything by yourself. You have to have others, making sure that you have the right people with you and those who support and love you.
It talks about our relationship, not only to each other as people, but to the people around us, to God, to our environment. And I think that was something that my ancestors understood so beautifully, is that our relationships, they are what help us to be strengthened, and they help us to go through the trials in life. So that's why I love this proverb.